beautiful people. Have you ever wondered if there's a product out there that truly repairs, hydrates, and protects your hair all in one? Well, I've got something exciting for you today. Let me introduce you to the Premium Coconut Oil Hair Serum by All, a powerful blend of nourishing plant oils and proteins designed to restore and revitalize your hair. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's dive in and find out. Now, I've been using this serum for a couple of weeks, and it's been a game changer in my routine. First off, this isn't just another ordinary hair serum. It's a treatment that promises to tackle everything from heat damage to split ends, frizz, and even breakage. The formula is infused with 6 plant-based oils: coconut, argan, avocado, camellia seed, drumstick seed, and olive oils, along with a potent 17 amino acid complex, which includes hydrolyzed keratin and plant protein. So it's packing some serious nourishment for your locks. What I really appreciate about this serum is its versatility. It's designed to hydrate and smooth your hair while also providing heat protection, which is so crucial if you're like me and love styling your hair with hot tools. The formula acts as a barrier against the heat, shielding your hair from damage while locking in moisture. The result? Shiny, smooth, and healthy-looking hair without that greasy residue. The texture is lightweight and silky, which makes it super easy to apply. You don't need much, just a few drops will go a long way. I found that it works best on damp hair, right after I've washed and towel dried it. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave my hair feeling weighed down. And the scent? It's a delicate blend of floral, woody, and musky notes that's subtle yet sophisticated, leaving your hair smelling amazing all day long. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. After using this serum for a few weeks, I can definitely see a difference in the smoothness and overall texture of my hair. The frizz is significantly reduced, and my curls are more defined and bouncy. I also notice less breakage when I brush through my hair, which is a huge win. The serum does exactly what it claims to do: nourish, hydrate, and protect. But of course, no product is perfect. One thing I did notice is that it's not as effective on very thick or coarse hair as it is on finer hair. If you have super dense hair, you might need to use a bit more product to achieve the same smooth, shiny results. Also, if you're someone who likes their hair to feel completely weightless, you might find that this serum gives a slight texture, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's something to keep in mind. Is this serum worth the price? Absolutely, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and the multiple benefits it offers: heat protection, frizz control, hydration, and repair. For the amount of product you get, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to restore and maintain healthy hair. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few similar products on the market, but many of them focus only on hydration or frizz control, not the full spectrum repair and protection that this one offers. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are options with 1 or 2 key benefits that may still work well, but they won't deliver the same comprehensive results. So, after putting the Premium Coconut Oil Hair Serum to the test, I can confidently say that this product does deliver on its promises. If you're looking to repair damage, protect your hair from heat, and add some serious shine and smoothness, this serum is a solid choice. It's perfect for anyone with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair, and it works especially well for those who heat style regularly. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying it out, you can find the link in the description or comments below. Have you tried this serum? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.